So, you've got a pile of receipts, a headache, and a deadline looming. Sound familiar? Well, fear not, fellow expense warriors. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Expensify, and specifically, how to effortlessly import your transactions. Expensify is a powerful tool that can streamline your expense management process. By importing your transactions, you can automate the categorization, receipt matching, and reimbursement process, saving you time and effort. Step-by-step guide. Prepare your transactions. Organize your receipts. Make sure your receipts are clear, legible, and easily identifiable. Choose your import method. Expensify offers several methods to import transactions. Manual entry. While time-consuming, it provides full control over data entry. Mobile app scans. Quickly capture receipts using your smartphone's camera. Email forwarding. Forward receipts to a designated Expensify email address. CSV import. For large volumes of transactions, import a CSV file. Import via the Expensify website. Log into your account. Access your Expensify account through a web browser. Navigate to the Import tab. Locate the Import tab on your dashboard. Select your import method. Choose the method that best suits your needs. Follow the on-screen instructions. Expensify provides clear guidelines for each import method. Import via the Expensify mobile app. Open the app. Launch the Expensify app on your mobile device. Tap the Import button. Locate the Import button on the app's main screen. Choose your import method. Select the desired method, such as scanning receipts or forwarding emails. Follow the app's prompts. The app will guide you through the import process. Tips and tricks. Batch import. Import multiple receipts at once to save time. Use Expensify's Smart Scan. Automatically extract information from receipts using AI. Categorize your expenses. Assign appropriate categories to your transactions for accurate reporting. Add notes and descriptions. Provide additional context to your expenses. Review and edit. Double-check your imported transactions for accuracy. Troubleshooting common issues. Receipt quality. Ensure receipts are clear and well-lit for optimal scanning. File format errors. Verify that CSV files are formatted correctly. Network connectivity. A stable internet connection is crucial for smooth imports. Expensify account settings. Check your account settings to ensure they're configured correctly. By following these steps and tips, you can effortlessly import your transactions into Expensify and streamline your expense management process. Remember, the key to efficient expense reporting is organization and automation. With Expensify, you can take control of your finances and focus on what truly matters. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.